In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files in Teamviewer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a secure file transfer session and avoid the common pitfalls that slow people down. Make sure Teamviewer is installed on your computer, your internet connection is stable, and that you have permission to connect to the other device. For security, only exchange details with people you trust and never share your credentials publicly. Start by opening the Teamviewer app on your computer, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're on the main dashboard. If you see prompts about updates, it's a good idea to let them complete first so everything runs smoothly. Next, click Remote Support. This takes you to the Control Remote Device area, which is where you'll establish the connection type and choose who you're connecting to. Think of this panel as your mission control for remote sessions. Now click the Teamviewer ID field. This is where you'll identify the remote device you want to reach. The ID is a unique identifier for the other computer. If your organization uses network details instead, you can also work with an IP address or a host name, but the concept is the same. You're telling Teamviewer exactly which device to contact. Before you proceed, look at the drop-down that usually defaults to Remote Control. Open that drop-down and switch it to File Transfer. This is important. File Transfer mode focuses on moving files without taking over someone's screen, which keeps the session focused, faster, and more private. With File Transfer selected, enter the partner's Teamviewer ID or use their IP address or host name if that's what you've been given. Type carefully and double check for typos. Even a single wrong character will prevent the connection. When everything looks correct, click Connect. Teamviewer will establish a secure link to the remote device. Depending on the setup, you may see a prompt for authorization or for the remote user to approve your request. That's normal and helps keep both sides protected. Once connected in File Transfer mode, Teamviewer will open a dedicated file browser showing your local files on one side and the remote files on the other. From there, it's straightforward to navigate folders, review what's available, and manage transfers efficiently. A few quick tips to wrap up. Confirm the drop-down is set to File Transfer before connecting. Keep both computers awake during large transfers. And remember that bigger files can take time based on network speed. If a connection doesn't go through, verify the ID and confirm the remote device is online and allowed to accept incoming connections. That's it. Open Teamviewer, choose Remote Support, select the Teamviewer ID field, switch to File Transfer, enter the ID, and click Connect. You're ready to move files safely and efficiently.